Okay, so this is Hobbit88's first tutorial on how to edit postings from the main tank page to the text-only page. So as you can see, I have two different Word documents opened up here on my computer, and I have copied in to my Word documents the um, this is the quote from the person from the main tank page. As you can see, I'm using myself as an example. Um, that's my username, highlighted in green. My direct tank is highlighted in yellow, and typically the direct tank links will end with is game active equals false or is game active equals true. And it doesn't matter if it says false or true. It just matters that you have a really long URL that ends in false and true, and that is typically what your direct link is going to look like. As you can see, inside the direct link, I actually have this this red portion here, and that is the tank ID number. As you can see over here in the main entry page, you're going to need that a couple of times. So, also, the other color that I have is blue, and as you can see, it is highlighted blue, meaning that that is my direct, or that is my my bump thread. See, you can see the text for bump thread right there. So first things first, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and copy the name over. So right click, copy, and watch that I'm going to correspond my colors. It's just easier in showing you how to do it. So let's see here, paste, Hobbit88. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, because I like to do, things kind of in order, is I like to take the yellow, so that's my direct tank link, and I'm going to correspond it to all of the yellow portions here, equals URL, go ahead and paste that. I'm going to do the same thing for each time there's yellow. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing as before, just except with this, this little ID number here. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it into the red areas. Okay, so now that's done. And then, final thing is I like to take that bump thread, I like to copy it and go ahead and just bring it over and paste it in. Something to look out for, I know it doesn't show it here on mine, but sometimes the bump threads will end in a backslash. If it does end in a backslash, that typically means it's going to go directly to their tank, or it's going to go directly into a new reply box. But make sure that you don't have two backslashes, or you might get some errors. Or if there is a backslash, make sure that it's copied in, because that can also cause some errors. Another thing that I wanted to bring up that may confuse some people is in the direct link, there are two sets of numbers. There is the tank ID number, which is this one here, and that's usually after user environment ID equals. And then there's this number here. You're not really going to need that number. Certain analyzers use it, but neither of the two that I use, which are Awesome Analyzer and the AbsolWeb Analyzer, neither of those analyzers need that number. So you're just going to be dealing with the user environment ID number, which is this one. It was pretty simple to edit the text whenever it is highlighted, but I will go through and show you how to edit the text whenever it's not pre-highlighted like I did for you. Okay, let's see here.